Let's talk about World War I. Think of it as a series of dominoes that fell and shattered the world. The human cost was just staggering. We're talking more than 16 million people dead.
So, how did this even happen? Well, for decades, Europe was basically a powder keg of tension and shaky alliances.
And the spark that lit the fuse? A single assassination in Bosnia. That one event set off a massive chain reaction. Thanks to all those alliances, Europe was at war within weeks. Right away, nations started picking sides. You had the Central Powers on one side and the Allied powers on the other. Germany had a plan, the Schlieffen Plan. The idea? A lightning-fast strike to take out France first. But that plan and the thinking behind it, that's what ended up pulling the whole world into the fight. And it really became a world war. Japan got involved, and the Ottoman Empire's entry opened up totally new fronts. But that quick victory Germany wanted, it stalled out. Any hope for short war just disappeared. So what happened next? Both sides dug in, creating miles of trenches. It was a brutal, bloody stalemate. And the technology of war got horrifying. We're talking poison gas, machine guns, and submarines. For 3 years, it was just a standstill. Nothing was changing. But then came 1917, and everything changed. First up, Russia was rocked by a revolution at home, so they were out of the war. Meanwhile, in the Atlantic, German U-boats were sinking everything, and that really started to pull in the US. But the absolute final straw? A secret German telegram trying to get Mexico to fight against the US. With fresh American troops on the ground, the Central Powers just couldn't hold on. They collapsed one by one. And the aftermath? 4 huge, ancient empires were just gone. The map of the world was literally redrawn. The peace deal, the Treaty of Versailles, put all the blame and all the costs squarely on Germany. You can imagine how that went over. In Germany, it was seen as a total humiliation, and people were furious. Which leaves us with a huge question. Did the war to end all wars just set the stage for the next one?